Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to use attach row count in Execute SQL task in SSIS. So what is a SS row count? So SS row count is just pick the last inserted row and it will return number of records in a particular table. So here I have person underscore TBL where I have 405 records. If you apply the attach row count, select attach row count. So if you apply simultaneously these two queries, you see the first one is table data and second one you see here number of records in that table. So this is how it will work as a data record. So now what I am trying to do now is I have one more table called select star from person underscore new, which is having the same schema and structure. What the person table has have the same schema structure even in person underscore new. You see ID, first name, last name, email, and gender. If you see the person table, ID, first name, last name, email, and gender. Now I want to insert 405 records into this person underscore new table by using execute SQL task. I want to show the number of records inserted by using attach row. So for that I'm taking the new package. Before that I need to create one variable. So here my variable name is number of records is my variable name. So whose data type is integer. Closing it. Now I am dragging the execute SQL task. Double click to configure. You need to make the result set into single row and take your connection, database connection. Here my person underscore table as in sample database. I am taking this database. Here I need to write the SQL statement. Insert into person underscore new. This is my new table. Person underscore new is table name. Select star from person underscore TBL. Person underscore TBL. This is my insert statement. Insert into new table. Select star from person underscore TBL. I am writing attach row count. Select attach row count as number of records. So this is my statement. So once after inserting the data all 405 records into this table, it will show the number of records inserted into by using this message. So by using a attach account, we can get the message box. We will write the script task of 2 lines of code. So if you go to result set, go to add. So this is my user variable now. Now I am. This is my alias name. Number of records is my alias name. So click OK. Now I am dragging the script task and connecting with execute SQL task. Double click to configure and select the read-only variable, one user variable which we have created, number of records. Go to read script. So here you will directly go to the public void main. So here you need to write message box dot show. Message box dot show, and here records inserted. Records inserted. Add DTS dot variables. DTS dot variables. In square brackets, you need to mention your user variable. User, what is your user variable name? Number of records. Number of records dot value dot toString. Yeah, this is the code here. Yeah, I wrote a message here. Records inserted. Records inserted. I'm concatenating with the number of records user variable. So it after running the package, it will show the message records inserted 405 records. This is how you need to get this message. I'm saving this code. Click OK. Now, when you run the package, you will show number of records 405. Records inserted 405. That message you get. I'm going to run the package. See here, records inserted 405. So by this way, you can use the attr count in execute SQL task. So not only instead, you can also use the attr count at the time of the updation and deletion as well. But the tricky part here to mention the SQL statement here. Once after getting the inserted records and select attr count. If you not mention this one, you cannot get the number of records. So we can get the number of records by adding a tetra count. This is how you need to use the tetra count at the time of the insertion in execute SQL task in your SSIS package. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.